Good morning. Random video. Different from the house renovating. Random purchase. So a friend or somebody I know had a car for sale, good price. Bought it from Euro auctions. And it gave me the itch, so here is the new, to me, Z4. It does need some work doing to it. Door, side skirt, rear quarter. But I did get it at a good price. 2 keys, service history, and everything with it. With a click of a button. Roof comes down. Roof comes down. Roof comes down. And inside the car, heated leather seats, electric, 5-speed manual, radio, and a bit of a storage compartment here. Quite clean inside. Boot, there's the electric boot. Press the key, boot opens. Some bits in there, paperwork. Boot down. It's 2.2 litre. This side's fine. Wheels could do with a refurb. There is a light on the dash, which looking into it, it seems to be something to do with the yaw sensor underneath the seat, so we'll look at that. The panels I've just been out this morning to buy, so I'm going to change them over and then look at the sensor and get it tracked, and it should be perfectly working fine. It is a Cat S, but who cares? So this panel, this door, this side skirt. Can't say I've ever done much with the car, so this should be interesting. There's a bolt there. Is it a bolt? Might be stuck on first hurdle here. Are they bolts or are they? I don't know. But we'll look to try and take them off. New panel. So it looks like 2 bolts. Looks like the boot has to come off as well. Fuck. Not to worry. So, we've got a 10mm spanner. Only the best. So I'm hoping I can get it with this. Let's see. So we've managed to get the bolt out. Now we'll take the side skirt off. Which is a screwdriver. just one more. That's off. It's a bit easier because I can see where the holes are on this one. So there's one more. Just need to try and get into it. Oh, I forgot some more bolts. Need to take the boot off. This side. Them bolts. So pop the boot straw off. Just got okay. See if we got a spanner. Okay, that's all of them out. Get rid of them bolts so we don't lose them. Stick them just there. Should now come off. Okay, so the panel is off. Both panels. Old panel, new panel. Just need to fit the new one now. Doors now on. Side skirts on. Rear quarters on. All lines up well. A few bits left. So the camera died, but the door is off. I'll show you how I put it on. door. Sound. It's all back together, see if it shuts. Lovely job. Next job will be to get the seats out, or the passenger seat out, to get to the yaw sensor. So we've got the cords removed, or we had the guy out with the diagnostics because mine won't work, and the airbag light's now cleared, so bonus. The only thing is the other three lights, they're all associated with some steering sensor, which looking on the forums, it's likely to be a case of tracking it, so I'm going now to Wilco Motorserve and get it tracked, see if it clears the codes. There are the three lights on. One amber, there we go. So hopefully next video will be done. Good morning. So I took the car to get it tracked, thinking that would be the end of the problems. And it turns out they couldn't track the car because the passenger side adjustment for the steering and the camber wouldn't loosen, so then the oxy settling on it didn't work, so they said it needs replacing. So I've rang up a garage to get the part in, and you can't get it till Tuesday. It's now Sunday, so I'm going to spray some WD-40 on it, try and get it free, maybe save myself getting on that car and replacing it. And yeah, if it works, we'll take it back and get it tracked. So I'll go spray some on. So leave the WD-40 there and keep coming back to it. So we've been to GSF Counterparts, acquired the tie rod, and I've tapped this off. To be fair, I forgot to get the camera out and record it, but I'm halfway through removing it, so that's come out there. All I've done is jacked it up, pop that out, move this rubber bush. I just need to undo that bolt there and put it back together. Not really sure what the issue was, why they couldn't do it, because it's coming off really easy, so we'll see. I've loosened it off now, just in case someone's screwing it. Hinges off. Case off, pop this off, I think. That come off. I need to get that sleeve off. I have a plan. Bit dodgy, but needs must and must needs. Plugging that into extension lead. Okay, so it's now split. You can pop this out like that. And then make this one the same size. As you can see, one's a bit longer than the other, so I'm going to just ready to go. Okay, so that's on. Then that goes over there. So, put that on. So, we'll place that underneath whilst tightening. Apparently it should. So that's tight. That's on. I just need to get a Jubilee clip to replace the clips I took off. And then get it booked back in for tracking. Hopefully that'll be it. Fingers crossed. Jobs are good. So we got the car's been in for tracking. They managed to track it after changing the tyre rod end and track rod end. The lights have now gone off the dash. We're all clear. So I'm going to take it to the car wash, get it washed there, and then take it and get some pictures. Then hopefully get it sold. So they've done a good job with the cleaning. Looks immaculate. Roof's in good condition.